Yes, student, for experiment number two. So today for A section we complete experiment number one, and for B section already on last lab. Okay. So next week we will do the experiment number two. As I had given the remote access to you for experiment number one. Now in experiment number two, okay, another platform is there, that is the Ubidots. So what is the design flow we have? First we have the hardware with hardware with ESP32 and DMP280. Okay. So what is the use of ESP32? ESP32 is a IoT platform which is a microcontroller based device, and it is used to control the BMP280. And what is BMP280? BMP280 is a weather monitoring sensor. Weather monitoring sensor means it will sense four parameters related to environment. That what is the temperature, pressure, water boiling point, and altitude. These four parameters are sensed by the BMP280. It is the hardware, and that hardware access I will give you the remote access to control them, similar to experiment number one. Then in addition, what is the cloud storage? Okay, cloud storage is done with the help of Ubidots. Ubidots is one platform on which we can create the device, and on that device we can make the we can get the data from hardware. Okay, hardware present in the lab, and that data will be available on the Ubidots. And on Ubidots, when we create device on Ubidot, okay, so that device should be linked with the program or code. Okay, program or code should be connected with program and code through through a software, that is the Arduino software. Okay. So in Arduino, as in experiment number one, we have a program. Okay, so few changes we have to make in program according to the Ubidot device. Okay, and what changes we have to make? We have to change the token. Okay, one term is the token, and another terms are the name of device variables. Okay, these things we have to change in the program. So one thing is that we have the hardware. Okay, in hardware we have the ESP32 as IoT platform. We have BMP280 as weather monitoring sensor. Okay, it is the hardware, and that sensed values will be monitored by Ubidots. Ubidots is an online platform. It is used for the cloud application. And in Ubidots we have the token and the device variable names are there. So these things we have to change in the program or in the code. Okay, why we have to make these changes? Because as you know, in the hardware is one thing, but how this hardware is controlled? This hardware is controlled with the help of program. Okay, so in program we have to make changes according to the device that is made on Ubidots. Okay, so for proper synchronization, to make in a single, we can say single chain. Okay, to make in a single chain, the hardware we have is ESP32 and BMP280. That device also map with the Ubidots. Okay, and that Ubidot also map with the program. So all these three things should be in one chain. Okay, our hardware, Ubidot device, and the program. Okay, everyone should be synchronized with each other. Only then these will be combined and we will get a common output. Okay, is it clear? what things we have to do, and what is the design flow. Okay, so it is different from experiment one. Experiment one was for the introduction, so that is why simple LED blink is there. Okay, now instead of LED blink, we have the BMP280. BMP280 is the weather monitoring sensor. Okay, so these values will be collected by Ubidots, and Ubidot is combined with the program through these variables, token and device variable. Okay. Now I want one member who is working on laptop. Okay, so that person will share the screen, and I will explain you about the UV dots, how to work on UV dot, because I want that you become familiar. Okay, so instead of myself, I want one student. I will guide here. That person will share the screen, and you will get better understanding, because one student will do from his or her end. Yes, anyone who is working on laptop, please raise your hand. Okay, every step I will explain to you, because you are making a new account, new device, so everyone can understand easily. If I am doing from my end, so you will not feel comfortable. So two students are here. Yes, Shubham, share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Is it visible?
yes, Shubham, now it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Now, Shubham, click on this plus tab and open google.com.
Yes, sir.
Now in Google, search for Ubidots, Ubidots, Ubidots.
Yes, sir.
Now click on sign up. Now wait 1 second. Wait 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Yes, everyone. Shubham, don't enter the details. Wait one
Okay, sir.
second.
Sir, what do I have to do now?
Yes, students. So first of all, you have to open search for the UV dots. Okay, so this window will be opened. Now wait, Shubham. Okay. So Shubham, you have to enter any username, email, and any password. Then yes, enter this detail. Yes, everyone, please note down these details. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, and tick mark it. Yeah. Wait 1 second. 1 second. Uh, student, after entering the password, one box is there, checkbox. So that you have to click. because we are using for the study purpose. Okay, not for commercial. It is compulsory. Now complete this process. Click on I am not a robot, so and so.
Sir, here's an error. Password
Okay.
is too short.
Yes, take at least 9 characters. Yes, everyone who are working on laptop, please uh, do the all the process at your end. Welcome to
Sir, it's
Ubidots.
done.
Okay. Yeah. Now click on this arrow sign in blue color.
Yes, sir.
Next. It is just for first time. Next. Next. Yes. Tick mark. Now wait here. Huh? Now wait here.
Yes, sir.
So student, first time when you create the account, you have to make in this way. Okay. So now next what we have to do. So Shubham, now click on this demo table. Three dots are there. Delete this demo table. No, no, downside on demo table.
Here.
Yes. Delete, delete, delete this
Yes, sir.
goes as well.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now student, your dashboard is empty. But we have to do now, click on these devices. Yes. Again devices. One second. Now click on this plus button that is in blue color in right, top right. Yes. Click plus sign, next plus, yes. Now click on blank
Yes, sir.
device, blank device,
Blank.
blank, yes.
Hmm.
Now enter a device name, write the weather monitoring system.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now click on tick mark.
Sir,
Okay.
it's
Wait,
created.
wait. Yes, wait. Now this device is created, everyone. Now Shubham, click on this device name. Okay. Now
Yes.
here we have to add the variables. Okay. Now click on add variable plus sign, row
Sir, roars.
RAW. Yes. Yes. Now in this new variable, enter the temperature. Remove this temperature.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it's fine. Uh, Now click on this data. Click on data.
Yes, sir.
Dashboard. Dashboard. Yes. Now click on this
Plus.
plus add new widget. Okay, it is also fine. Uh,
Yes, sir.
yes, both things are same. Now check for the thermometer. Scroll down. Yes, thermometer is
Yes.
there. Yes, click there.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Wait one second. Now, after the data, we have add variables. Click over there, add variables. Yes.
Weather
Now, one
monitor.
second. Wait one second. Student, everyone, we created one variable, add new widget. Okay, we are adding the device. Actually, in beginning, we create the device with the name weather monitoring system. Okay, now in weather monitoring system, one variable was the temperature. Now we are going to device because temperature, how it will be sensed. So we are taking here thermometer. Okay, so it will ask the thermometer want to connect with which device. So we want to connect with weather monitoring system. Now click on this Shubham weather monitoring system. Now click
Yes,
on
sir.
temperature. Click on temperature. Yes. Now tick mark. First click on temperature, then tick mark. One second. I think it is not added. Again, click on add variables. Click, double click on temperature. Now click on right mark, right sign tick mark. Yes,
Yes, sir.
now
Now
it
it's
is.
upload.
Yes, now it is connected with the weather monitoring system. Okay. Now here also you can change the name of device. You will change it to only. You can write same name temperature. Remove it. Write here temperature.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now click on tick mark. Okay. Now student one device is created. Okay, that is with the thermometer and it is mapped with the weather monitoring system. Now Shubham, click on devices from the top. Yes. Again devices. So in your
Yes, sir.
account, you have two devices. One is demo. So remove the demo device, delete it. Yes, delete. Okay, now click on weather monitoring system. Okay, right. So everyone, please see it carefully. Okay, when we create the device, what thing we have to copy? Okay, so Shubham, in the left, you have in blue window written weather monitoring system, then API label ID token. Go to the token and yes, in the last one I is there, na? So click over there.
Yes,
Yes. So student, it is the token that is generated for your device. For every device which is created on the Ubidots, it have the unique token. Okay, everyone have the unique token that is related to your device. Okay, so that we have to put in the program, in the Arduino program. And how we have to put? So Shubham, before the I1 copy sign is there.
yes, sir.
Click over there, copied. So now your
Hmm.
token is copied. Okay, that we have to copy in the program. So it is one thing. Next thing what we have to do, one second. Next thing is the API label. Now select this Shubham API label weather monitoring system. Select this.
Yes, sir.
Now wait. So student, it is the API label. Okay, two things we have to copy it from the dashboard, API label and the token. Okay, so just I am
Hmm.
saying what we have to copy. Now I will show you the program and I will show you where we have to copy this. Now second thing what we have to copy. Now Shubham, click on this temperature, this variable that is created in orange color. Just click there.
Yes, sir.
One second. Now highlight its API label temperature. Select this. Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is the second thing, third thing that we have to copy. Okay, we have to copy device API label token, and then in the weather monitoring system, as we have only temperature, actually we have to create four variables. Okay, that I will explain you. Four variables we have to create: temperature, pressure, water boiling point, altitude. Okay, so for every four, we have to copy their labels. That's it. Okay, and then these things we have to copy in the program. Why we have to copy in the program? Because we have to we have to connect that program with our Ubito device. Okay, so every three things should be in one chain: our hardware, okay, our program, and the Ubito device. So same things we have to enter in all these three. We make device on Ubidot, so we copy the token. Token is always different for every device, every Ubidot account. If all of you create the Ubidot device, so then every one of you have the different token. Okay, with that different token, your hardware will come to know that I have to give data to this Ubidot device. Okay, and how it will be assessed? Because that token, that API label, we will change in the program. Okay, so with that chain, all these things will be connected: hardware, Arduino program, and the Ubito device. Okay, Shivam, now go to the device weather monitoring system.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you can click on devices from the top. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
student, in this way you have to create the device. And right now just you have to create one variable. Okay, then I will explain for other three. First you have to make one variable, only then you will come to know how to do for the other. Okay, okay, Shubham, wait 1 second. Yes, anyone have any doubt? So I am waiting here for 2 minutes. If you have any doubt you can discuss. Then yes, Poonam, what is the doubt? Student, if you have any doubt, I missed the step. Okay, no issue. Shubham, open the Ubidot website. Yes. So after naming variable name temperature. Okay, Poonam, no issue. First of all, we have to create the device. So this device name weather monitoring system is there. So student, it is just for the identification. Okay, you can put either weather, or you can put monitoring, or you can put weather monitoring. So any name you can put. It is just for the identification. Okay. So Shubham, click on this name, device name, weather monitoring system. So when we make the device, so we have the when we have here blank screen. Okay, so have we have to add the in
Variable.
the variable. Yes, so first time we have only this window, add variable. Okay, when we click on this, so we added one variable and we change the name only, temperature. Then we have to go to the data.
Data.
Now should we go to the data in the top? Yes,
Dashboards.
dashboard. So temperature is added here, one device is added here by Shubham. So first time we have the plan. So we have to go to the top right. This plus sign is there.
Yes.
Click there. So then we have to select the device.
Thermometer.
Temperature is measured by thermometer. So we will select thermometer, select it again.
Yes, sir.
Then we have to go to the add variables, plus
Variable.
sign. Click there. Now click on weather monitoring system. Now wait 1 second, Shubham. Wait 1 second. Now student, in the data when we are adding the new variable. Okay, so right now in weather monitoring system we have only one variable, temperature, because we created only one variable. Okay, so actually it have four variables. When we create the four variables, so all four will be listed here, all four be listed here. So we have to select only one, okay, by which we want to connect the device. So here thermometer is selected and we want to connect it with temperature. Okay, in the second if we use another one, so we have to map that as well. Okay, now press double click there on temperature and click on tick mark. Okay, so it is mapped, and here you can change the name as well, temperature. So Shubham, no need to do this because already you have same thing. Okay,
Yes.
so just close it. Okay, so after this it is created. Now go to the devices or directly go back. Yes, click on weather monitoring.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we have to copy two things.
Ye-
One is the token.
hmm.
Token we have to copy, and second is the API label.
Yes,
It
sir.
is for the device. Okay, then for the variables as well, we have to copy their API labels.
API
So it
level.
is the API label for temperature. Okay, only this part we have to do. Now, Poonam, is it clear? Yes, Poonam. Okay, okay, right. So I'm very happy to see that Poonam is really doing the things, and she asked some question because it is first time and everyone have the doubt. But thing is that either you are doing or not, either you listening it or not. Okay, Arya. So Arya, which part is not clear? So in the very beginning, I told you to do with us. Okay, if you do on the same time, so you will feel comfortable. Otherwise, what I will do, I will download this video, okay, and I will share the link with you all. Okay, after this class, I have another class. Up to 4 p.m., I will try to share the video link with you. Okay, so in that video, you will just pause the video and do step by step. Okay, so in the next week, when we have the lab session, to our lab session, then everyone should have at least one device with one variable. Okay, then first I will demonstrate you, and then I will make different methods to use in lab. Okay, so right now only 7 minutes are left. So in a hurry, I will Shubham, stop the screen share. Thank you very much for sharing the screen. So this type of I can say initiatives should be from everyone. Okay, because I asked Shubham because I want that some students share the screen, then you will feel comfortable that if Shubham is doing so, we can also do. If I'm doing from my end, so you feel that a teacher already know the things, so maybe we are not able to do. Okay, so that is why always I ask from students to share the screen. Okay, because the students are doing first time, Shubham also did first time, so that's why. Okay, so always just feel comfortable if you have any doubt. So I am always happy to answer all your queries. Okay, now I am sharing my screen because time is less, only 5 minutes are there. So in a while I will show you. My screen is visible to you, students. Now I am opening the Arduino software. Okay, right. So let it be opened. Okay. So directly I am opening the program here and I will share the program with you all. Open weather monitoring. So directly I will show you what changes we have to do. Okay, so we copied one token. Okay, so here in the fifth line, define token, then in upper brackets, it is the token. Okay, for your device that you create on Ubidot, it have a unique token that you have to copy here. Select it, you have to delete it and paste your token. Then Wi-Fi ID password that I will explain to you because as you know ESP32 is a Wi-Fi enabled device. Okay, we have to enter the Wi-Fi ID and password here that is present in the lab. I will explain to you. Okay, that same you have to put here. Then here then here you can see float, temp float, pressure float, altitude float, water boiling point. Okay, these are the different devices that we created and you have to paste same API labels. As you can see for the temperature, it is only TEMP in the program. But the temperature is written by Shubham, so you have to change it here. Okay. And next, temperature, pressure, altitude, it is okay. And here, client dot add. Okay. So here we have to insert your variable labels and value to be sent. So it is the variable name temp. Okay, we have to change with temperature. So exactly same name we have to put here: pressure, altitude, water boiling point. So in water boiling point you can see underscore is there, water underscore boiling underscore point. So same format we have to put here. Okay, if you put the space water space boiling, same thing should be here. If you put W capital B capital, so same you have to put. Okay, and then we have this device label weather monitoring system. As you can see here, dash is there, weather dash monitoring dash system, and it should be same as you create in your Ubidots device. If it is mismatch, for example, when you create device name you put weather space monitoring space system and here you use this dash sign, so you will not get output because things will not match. Okay, this program will not give error because this program is right. Either you write weather monitoring or weather or something else, this program is right, there is no syntax error. But it will not sync with the device created on Ubidots. Okay, so the comments are also written here: insert your device label, insert your variable label. Okay, so when you perform you will feel much clear. Okay, but these are the things. Okay, in the program we have to make these changes, and this program I will share with you in the next lab. Okay, is it clear, Shubham? Here we have to change the things. Okay, here we
Yes,
have to
right.
change. Okay, right. And in the top we have to change the token. Okay, it is the token. So these things should be same as we used in the Ubidots device. Okay, so that is from my side. It is for the experiment number 2. Okay, so many things are there. So first you should know what is the hardware, what is the software, what is the online platform. Okay, so then you create the device, you have to create the device. Okay, so everyone in the next lab you should ready with your one device, and meanwhile submit your pre-lab, post-lab and worksheet for experiment 1. Okay. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Yes, Jatin. What is your problem? You are a presenter now. Jatin, you want to ask something? Okay, he left. Okay, so thank you everyone. In the next session, if you have any doubts, so first I will resolve that doubts. Thank you.